Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a bootable USB drive using the operating system Ubuntu, which is a Linux-based open source operating system that you can use in place of most any operating system on the market today. It's completely free and available to download from their product website, which we're going to be going to right now. And open up any web browser. We're going to Ubuntu. And we're going to be clicking on the top one here. And this is their main website. And you can click on the download tab here and click Ubuntu Desktop. The current version as of right now is 20.04.1. So then you can go ahead and download that to your system. Save that right in the downloads folder. And it's going to take just a minute to download. Now I'll be back once it's complete. And we are back. And it looks like Ubuntu has downloaded. And then we can leave that there for a moment. And go to Rufus. And that is what we are going to be using to create the bootable USB drive. I'm going to go to this one here. And this is their main page. Roll down a little bit. And it looks like 3.11 is the current version of Rufus. You can go ahead and click on that and save that into your downloads folder, and go ahead and here and click on that file and click yes. And then this window is going to pop up. Make sure you have your USB drive you're using plugged into your computer, and make sure that this is the correct drive. And there are multiple options here. So we're going to be using the ISO image option, and you can go ahead and open the Ubuntu file, ISO file. And we're going to be leaving this as MBR. Target system is BIOS. You're going to be booting from it, and it's going to relabel your USB to this. You can leave that just as it is. Go ahead and click Start. And you're going to be prompted with a question on whether you want an ISO image or a DD image. In this case, we're going to be using ISO image mode, and that is also recommended. So you can go ahead and click OK. And it's going to prompt you saying that all data on the device or on the USB will be destroyed. So it's going to format the drive before it installs the operating system. You can go ahead and click OK if that is okay. If not, I would recommend to back up any data that is on the USB drive you're going to be using and go further with that. Go ahead and click OK, and then it's going to start by formatting the USB first. Then it's going to be copying all the ISO files to the USB drive first, and then it's going to create the actual boot system, which your computer's BIOS settings will be able to boot from that, and then you'll be good to go. And after the installation and creation of the boot drive, then you're going to restart your system or whatever computer you're using, and then boot into the BIOS settings and boot into the Ubuntu USB drive. And then after that, you'll be prompted with Ubuntu installation instructions on whether you want to use the USB drive itself as the operating system, or if you want to completely install the operating system on the hard drive of the computer itself. And you will have the option when you boot into the USB through the BIOS settings. and then you can install Ubuntu fully and then install it completely that way, and then you'll be good to go. Ubuntu looks a lot like Windows 10 as I'm using now, but with many changes and many open source type features that would be in an open-based operating system, such as appearance updates and usability updates, and through the console coding as well. You can change settings, download folders from the internet, and many other options as well. So once this is complete, you're good to go. You can then boot into the BIOS and boot to the USB drive, and you'll be prompted with installation instructions, and you'll be good to go. So once this is complete on copying the ISO files, I'll be back and finish up the video. I'll see you in a moment. And we are back. Now it looks like the USB is ready to go. Looks like it took 5 minutes and 51 seconds to complete. So, looks like you're good to go. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and remember to please like and subscribe to this video and to my channel, and that will allow me to keep bringing you guys more videos to watch. And I appreciate everyone for watching. Thank you. Peace.